Welcome to Tony Herbal. Today, we're talking about an incredible drink that has taken the health world by storm. Turmeric water. If you want to feel healthier, look younger, and improve your overall well-being, then you need to start drinking this golden liquid. Trust me, the benefits are amazing, and all it takes is 1 cup a day. Let's dive into the benefits of this superfood. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, acting as a defense mechanism to heal and protect. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. One natural remedy that has gained attention is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound known for its healing properties. Think of curcumin as a firefighter putting out those inflammatory fires in your body, helping to reduce swelling and pain. Numerous studies have shown that curcumin can be just as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the nasty side effects that often accompany pharmaceuticals. By incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine, you're giving your body an all-natural way to fight inflammation, boost your immune system, and protect itself from chronic diseases. Less inflammation means less pain, more energy, and a healthier you. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, with more vitality to enjoy your day. A strong immune system is your best defense against viruses and bacteria. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals can damage your cells and weaken your immune system. Turmeric's antioxidants neutralize those free radicals, protecting your cells and keeping your immune system strong. A strong immune system means you're less likely to get sick, and you'll recover faster if you do. Reach for a glass of turmeric water to give your immune system an extra boost, especially during cold and flu season. If you're dealing with bloating, gas, indigestion, or other digestive discomforts, turmeric water can be your new best friend. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric helps stimulate the production of bile, essential for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients. Bile is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, and it plays a crucial role in the digestion of fats. Think of bile as your digestive system's cleaning crew, making sure everything runs smoothly. It helps to emulsify fats, making them easier to digest and absorb. Turmeric also helps reduce inflammation in the gut, often the root cause of many digestive issues. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of problems, including irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive disorders. By calming inflammation and supporting healthy bile production, turmeric water can help you say goodbye to those uncomfortable digestive woes. Regular consumption can lead to a more balanced and efficient digestive system. When your digestion is running smoothly, you feel lighter, more energized, and just overall healthier. Incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your digestive health and enhance your overall well-being. We all want that healthy, youthful glow, and turmeric water can help you achieve it. The antioxidants in turmeric help protect your skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, preventing premature aging. Turmeric is also known to reduce inflammation in the skin, which can manifest as acne, eczema, and other skin irritations. By calming inflammation and protecting against free radical damage, turmeric water helps promote a clear, even, and radiant complexion. Drink your way to a more youthful, radiant you with a daily dose of turmeric water. Losing weight can be a challenge, but turmeric water can be a helpful addition to your weight management journey. This golden spice, known for its vibrant color and potent health benefits, can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Turmeric helps boost your metabolism, which is the process by which your body burns calories. By enhancing your metabolic rate, turmeric ensures that your body is working efficiently to convert food into energy. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories, even at rest. This can be particularly beneficial for those who have a sedentary lifestyle or find it hard to fit regular exercise into their busy schedules. Inflammation can interfere with your body's ability to lose weight, so by reducing inflammation, turmeric helps create a more favorable environment for weight loss. Chronic inflammation is often linked to weight gain and difficulty in shedding those extra pounds. Turmeric water is a healthy and hydrating beverage choice. It not only quenches your thirst, but also provides your body with essential nutrients and antioxidants. By choosing turmeric water over sugary drinks, you're naturally reducing your calorie intake, which can contribute to weight loss over time. Sugary drinks are often high in empty calories that can lead to weight gain. It's a delicious and refreshing way to give your body the boost it needs. Adding a slice of lemon or a dash of honey can enhance the flavor, making it even more enjoyable to drink regularly. Drinking 1 cup of turmeric water daily can provide you with a range of incredible health benefits, from reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system to improving digestion and giving you glowing skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and natural remedies. See you next time.